older people can wire plugs because that's what they had to do. Originally, appliances just had a wire when they came off the shelf.
Oh, I remember that.
You had to buy a plug and fit it yourself. That's why young people just haven't a clue. This is a common failure. It's a damaged plug. Snip off the plug using clippers. Dismantle the plug and fit a new plug as follows. Open the plug by slackening the centre screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver and turn it anti-clockwise. Remove the cover plate. Prepare the cable for fitting to the plug.
Rotate the knife.
Remove about 50mm length of the outer sheath.
2 inches, isn't it?
If you cut into one of the wires, start again. Blue, green and brown. This is how the wires have to be fitted.
Like that.
Slacken the cable clamp screws. Push the cable through and cut the wires to length.
Cut the wires to length.
Remove about 10mm insulation on each wire. You can rotate the knife so that you can get the cable to come off. Now rotate and pull it off with the wire cutters. Then twist the wires together.
I'm doing that.
Push out the live pin and the fuse holder. Slacken off the wire clamp screw. Fit the brown wire and tighten the screw. Push the fuse and holder back into place and fit the green wire and tighten the screw. Fit the blue wire and tighten the screw. Check all the wires are securely fitted. Tighten the screws to grip the cable. Check all the wires are in the right place. Refit the cover plate, tighten the screw, fit the plug into the socket and check the appliance is working. Some appliances have only 2 wires. These are double insulated. Brown and the blue wires are fitted as usual. No green wires required. Another video to follow using the correct fuse.